How to watch blocked videos on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock YouTube video or how you can watch blocked videos on YouTube. Now, if you stream YouTube, you must have seen that some videos that you want to watch or that some videos are blocked on your region or is not available on your region. Now, this might be due to various reasons. Copyright and licensing restrictions is one of the major factors. The video's content may be subject to copyright or licensing agreements that limits its availability to specific regions, and it might also be content owner's decision whether the owner of the video or the content rights holder can choose to restrict the ability of the content to certain regions, or it might be due to government censorship and restrictions due to regional and cultural interference or such. First, what you will need to do is head over to your App Store or Play Store and then search in for VPN. Now once you search in for VPN, you can download any VPN you like. I've just downloaded this Turbo VPN. I will recommend you to download this VPN too. It's easy to use and mostly free. And once you do this, open it up and set it up, allow all the app permissions. Once the app opens up, what you want to do is tap on connect. Now first, what you will want to make sure is if it is blocked in your region, then you will try to switch into another region. Suppose if you are on Asia right now and the video is blocked in your region, then you should try switching to European region or something like that. Now if you want to choose a specific region, you can tap on the earth icon that you can see at the top right corner, and then you can choose some free locations here. You can see the VIP one. You can always purchase VIP ones, but I'll just choose here United Kingdom, London. And now once this gets connected, what you can do is head over to YouTube app and then open up videos and then stream the video as you want. So this way you can unblock blocked videos on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.